Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing power safety. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and verify the system is 12V. Next, mount your spotlights where they won't obstruct airflow, then locate the high beam signal wire on the headlight connector. Once done, prepare a relay, inline fuse, and 1416 AWG wiring to handle current. This prevents overload. Make sure to have a reliable ground point near the lights. These early steps set up a safe, serviceable installation and avoid electrical damage later. Now you wire the relay as the protected switch between battery and spotlights. Run a fused 12V feed from the battery to relay terminal 30 and route the relay output from terminal 87 to the spotlights. Take the high beam signal and tap it to relay coil terminal 86 so the relay energizes with your beams. Ground terminal 85 to chassis. Once connected, protect splices with heat shrink and secure wires with zip ties, keeping them clear of headers and suspension movement to avoid chafing. Reconnect the battery and test the system. Switch to high beams and confirm the relay clicks and spotlights illuminate. Measure voltage at the light connector. It should read near battery voltage under load. Once confirmed, secure all wiring, mount the fuse holder near the battery, and tighten grounds. If spotlights don't work, make sure the fused feed isn't blown, the relay coil sees the high beam signal, and grounds are solid. If problems persist, swap the relay or use a multimeter to trace the circuit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.